Hi, good morning everyone. This is Joel Sadalila from BSA 2A. Today I am going to show you how to make analysis of variance using Microsoft Excel. This is for the subject Statistical Analysis with software application. So first, we're going to use the data or the figures found in our module number 6. So the first step, go to data. Then click Data Analysis. There are some choices here, but we will use ANOVA single factor. Click OK. Under Input Range, this is actually the columns or the cells that we are going to choose. So just click the whole data and just click the checkbox which has labels in the first row. Alpha will just leave it by default 0.05. Then output option, just click output range and then choose a cell where you want to land your computations. In my case, I just choose this one. Then click OK. There you go. As simple as that, you will have the analysis of variance using the Microsoft Excel. This is the between groups or the MSG. This is actually the same amount that we saw in the module number 6. Within groups is the MSE. So we just have to simplify them by removing some decimals. So 24.87 for MSG and 4.30 for MSC. We were able to find as well the P value. This is actually the exact amount that we saw in the module number 6. So 0.017. So that's it. That's how you do analysis of variance using Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much for watching and you have a good day.